animal kingdom, there are lots of animals who think that these beautiful reptiles are yummy, scrummy dinner. Can you imagine? Would you like to eat snake? Ugh. Would you like to eat lizard? Ugh. Maybe crocodile. In some very fancy restaurants, sometimes you can order crocodile, but I don't think I want to eat crocodile. No. But other creatures like to eat reptiles. Now, reptiles are very clever. They can protect themselves. Yes, they can keep themselves safe. So let's talk about that. So lizards and snakes will often hide under rocks, under leaves. Remember how I told you never ever to move a pile of dried leaves? Because who might be hiding there? A snake or some lizards. Snakes and lizards and all reptiles have got that sort of browny, beigey color, and they also have spots and stripes that blur the edges of their body. So when a bird is flying and they look down, they can't always see the shape. So you can see here, this lizard has got black stripes across his back. So the bird flying can't really see so well where the lizard starts and where the lizard ends. So coloring, the camouflage colors will hide. Reptiles hide under piles of dead roots, leaves, stones. They also hide in burrows. Now a burrow is like a little tunnel that the creature will make, and they will hide in there. Many reptiles only come out at night. They are nocturnal, nighttime animals where it's hard to see them in the dark, except for the owl. The owl's got very clever eyes that can see at night, and the owl likes to catch, some owls like to catch snakes, and they like to catch lizards. Yum, yum. Now, sometimes a lizard, and you're going to see this in the video clip just now, some lizards can make their bodies so flat. Look at that. It makes them look bigger. And then the creature who wants to eat them thinks, oh no, he's too big for me to fight. So sometimes they can make their body look bigger, and sometimes they play dead. They'll roll over just like that and lie there, and the snake or the bird that wants to eat them will look at them and think, no, that's not yummy. Another interesting thing is that if a lizard is here, he can't show up very well on that, let me put him on here, and a bird comes along and wants to bite the lizard and pick him up by the tail, I'm not going to break my toy, but the lizard's tail can break off, and then it wriggles over there and keeps wriggling. And so the bird's eye gets distracted. He gets distracted and he looks at the wriggling, broken off tail, and this lizard without the tail quickly runs away and hides, and he can grow a new tail. So lizards who lose their tail as a defense mechanism to protect themselves from a predator, somebody who wants to eat them, the tail breaks off and carries on wriggling, and the bird or the snake who wants to eat them follows the wriggling tail, and the lizard can run away safe. The tail finally will stop wriggling, and maybe somebody will eat it, but it will never grow into a lizard. But the lizard who has no tail can slowly grow a new tail. Isn't that amazing? So reptiles are very clever at keeping them safe. I hope you enjoyed the little video clip that you're going to see now of a snake who's trying to catch a lizard that looks just like this, except that he's brown. And you're going to see how this lizard keeps himself safe.